Now we discuss about volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis. It is a general term for a method in quantitative chemical analysis in which the amount of a substance is determined by the measurement of the volume that the substance occupies. It is commonly used to determine the unknown concentration of a known reactant. Volumetric analysis is often referred to as titration, a laboratory technique in which one substance of a known concentration and volume is used to react with another substance of unknown concentration. Definitions. Volumetric analysis involves the preparation, storage, and measurement of volume of chemicals for analysis. Volumetric, titrometric, quantitative chemical analysis, which determines volume of a solution of accurately known concentration required to react quantitatively with the analyte, means whose concentration to be determined. The volume of titrant required to just completely react with analyte is titration, a process in which a standard reagent is added to a solution of analyte until the reaction between the two is just complete. Primary standard, a reagent solution of accurately known concentration is called a standard solution. Standardization, a process to determine the concentration of a solution of a known concentration by titrating with primary standard. Endpoint, the point at which the reaction is observed to be completed is the endpoint. The endpoint in volumetric method of analysis is the signal that tells the analyst to stop adding reagent and make the final reading on the burette. Endpoint is observed with the help of indicator. Equivalence point, the point at which an equivalent or stoichiometric amount of titrant is added to the analyte based on the stoichiometric equation. The equipment. Volumetric analysis involves a few pieces of equipment: pipette for measuring accurate and precise volumes of solution, burette for pouring measured volumes of solution, conical flask for mixing two solution, wash bottles. These contain distilled water for cleaning the equipment, funnel for transfer of liquid without spilling, volumetric flask, a flask used to pack up accurate volumes for solution of known concentration. Requirement for successful volumetric titration: reaction must be stoichiometry, well defined reaction between titrant and analyte. Reaction should be rapid. Reaction should have no side reaction, no interference from other foreign substances, must have some indication of end of the reaction, such a color change, sudden increase in pH, zero conductivity, known relationship between endpoint and equivalence point. Concentration is a general term expressing the amount of solute obtained in a given material, expressed by different ways. Molarity, the number of moles of solute divided by number of liters of solution containing the solute is a gram of molecular weight dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Molarity, moles of solute per volumes in liter. Millimoles of solute, volumes in milliliters. Moles is equal to weight in grams per mw or millimoles weight in mg upon mw. Normality, Defined as number of equivalents of solute divided by the number of liters of a solution containing the solute. Normality. Equivalents of solute per volume in liters. Equivalent of solute per volume in milliliters equivalents is equal to weight upon EW, or milliequivalent is equal to weight milligram per EW. Relation of normality and molarity. Molarity is equal to weight upon mW into volume. mW means weight upon molarity into volume. Similarly, normality, weight upon EW into volume. EW is equal to weight upon normality into volume. EW is equal to mW upon H, where the H reacting unit. For acid, H plus is reacting unit, and for base, OH minus. For oxidation reduction, electron is a reacting unit. For ionic species, valences. Equivalent weight is defined as the part by weight of the substance which is chemically equivalent to 1 part by weight of hydrogen, or 8 part by weight of oxygen, or 3.5 part by weight of chlorine. Thus, in finding out equivalent weight, we find out how many grams of that substance are directly or indirectly equivalent to 1 gram of hydrogen. It depends on reaction in which it takes place. Thank you.